Hi students, so today we're going to be learning about scientific notation. Scientific notation was created because scientists got really tired of writing a bunch of zeros after the numbers they were working with. So let's think about the sun. So the sun is miles and miles and miles away. So if you were to Google it right now, you'd get a big number. It is 92 million miles away. So like I said, scientists are really lazy and they got tired of writing that big number. So they came up with this thing called scientific notation. And what it does is it gets rid of all those zeros by just looking at the number in the front, which is our 92. So I'm going to recopy that. But they have two simple rules. This first rule is this number here has to be between 1 and 10. So if I put a decimal place right there between the 9 and the 2, that makes it 9.2, which is then in between 1 and 10, so it passes their rule. Next up in scientific notation, you write times 10, and that is always times 10. It's not going to be any other number. And then we have a little power here that we have to fill out, and that power comes from how many places we move to get our decimal place where it's at. So what you need to do is right there's our decimal, so we count from here to here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I moved 7 places to get that decimal place. So my answer is 9.2 times 10 to the 7th is how I write 92 million miles in scientific notation. But scientists also deal with really small numbers, not just really big numbers. So here I have written down 1 nanometer, which is a whole lot of zeros when you're writing it in terms of the meter. So this is how big a water molecule is. So think about how water is made, and so one little molecule of it is 1 nanometer wide. So once again, scientists got real tired of writing all these zeros, so they use scientific notation. So you use the same thing here where you have your number between 1 and 10. So we will put a 1 here. And then we have times 10. And then up here, how many decimal places do we move? So we want our decimal to be back here, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we moved it 9 places, but because we went in the small direction, this is a really small number, we make that a -9 to indicate that it's a small number and not a big number. So that's scientific notation. Works with really big numbers and really small numbers.